So just getting to fully charged Farnborough, let's see what's here today and what you can see. So I'm over near the Morris van. So near the Morris van, you'll find this little tent saying EVA England. Now, if you're an EVA driver, why should you join EVA England, Warren?
So if you're an EV owner in England, you should join us because we are the ones campaigning on your behalf. We're campaigning the government to make things better for EV drivers. We've worked very hard on the charge point consultation work. We campaigned very hard for 2030. We're trying to get in there for the 2030 hybrid stuff, 2035 hybrid stuff. And yeah, generally, it's as much as complaining to your mates or complaining on Facebook about the state of things is something you might enjoy doing. It doesn't get you anywhere. Talking to us, joining us, giving us, empowering us to do that is what we really need.
And how much is EVA membership?
So EVA membership is £20 a year. And before anyone says, I'm a volunteer, the other directors are all volunteers, we all volunteer our time. The money doesn't go to us, the money goes to running the website, running campaigns, doing all the things we need to do. And we have big campaigns coming up in the future where we're going to be doing advertising stuff and getting out there and talking to the YouTube and mainstream media as well. And also it maintains our independence. We're not taking money from the oil companies, the manufacturers. It enables us to be independent, and the government appreciate that, so that we get cross-party backing when we try and do things.
Okay, so are you basically, you're all volunteers, you're all volunteering for EVA, and I presume you all drive EVs?
Of course we all drive EVs. I've been driving EVs now for 5 years. My first one's 5 years. I now have both my cars are now EVs. Everyone in the group, all the directors, all EV drivers, and this all started from being in the position where we couldn't find chargers that were working. We needed stuff done. We were seeing all these things being put out by the government, but they were really what the manufacturers and what the oil companies wanted, not what we wanted. And we wanted to be the voice to say, actually, we need this.
But you're not just for EV owners at the moment. So if someone's thinking of getting an EV, there's a lot of benefits for money off certain things as being an EV member. So that £20 can actually earn £20 worth of discount in other things like...
Oh, yeah, so was the basic one. The £20 gives you £50 off Onto to start with. It can get you, if you're looking at an EV and you've just got an EV, it can get you money off a new charger. We have lots of deals that we currently have and lots of deals in the pipeline. There's lots of things going on in the background that we're doing for members.
So you can find them over near the electric scooters and also near some really cool stuff in here, including Arrival, which I'm going to go and talk to now. I'm with Steve here from LeasePlan, and LeasePlan have just ordered a huge number of these Arrival vans. Steve, how many have LeasePlan ordered of these?
LeasePlan across Europe have ordered 3,000 of these as a commitment to our EV100 membership.
Okay, and are they Arrival selling these in one standard battery form to you, or are you having different specs, or are they all the same build you're going for?
No, they'll be designed around a number of different models, different sizes, applications, and it'll have the opportunity for the driver to actually select the sort of level of battery range and power output that they want to suit their requirements.
And are you having a prediction on where you think these are going to be? Are they going to be more delivery drivers, or are you seeing multiple uses for these?
From initial discussions, we thought it would probably be the sort of delivery and the final mile drivers that would be looking for them. But actually the interest that we've seen from a lot of service providers to be able to access low emission zones has been quite significant.
So are you seeing pretty much general use electricians, including last mile delivery drivers, so basically all the typical van drivers you've got today buying?
Yep, very much so, because the pressure to go onto electric vehicles, the offering that comes with the vehicles is just so suited to so many drivers now.
So what made LeasePlan want to order Arrival van, even though they've not produced any of these vehicles yet? What made Arrival go, this is the van that we want to order for our customers and, you know, for our markets?
The vehicle has very much been designed with the van operator in mind. So actually a blank sheet of paper, what would you choose, what would you want the vehicle to do if you were designing an electric vehicle for commercial use from scratch? And that's exactly what Arrival have come up with. So our commitment to turning our electric vehicle fleet completely, to take the entire fleet electric by 2030, this has got to be a perfect starting point for us to develop the commercial vehicle side.
And LeasePlan expecting these to be delivered over the next 2 years, or have you got any commitments off arrival on when you're going to get the first vans?
We're the second largest customer to take the vehicles. I imagine we're probably looking in the next 18 months to start taking delivery of them. Again, in different formats, different shell sizes, and get that commitment from them to see what opportunities we've got.
Okay, thank you very much. This is available to see over on the leaseplan side, all the way through fully charged, all the way till Sunday. Leaseplan are here to talk to if you're a commercial customer who wants to order a couple of these. I'm surprised. I'm willing to guess that Leaseplan were willing to take pre-orders on these to customers with large orders.
I'd be very interested to talk.
Thank you very much. So I'm over with Chris over at the Easy stand. Now Easy is a charger that I've reviewed already. There's a charge review if you want to go and see that. But Easy have got something quite special over on their stand. What's this, Chris?
Well, this is the Ferrari 308. It's been converted by Electric Classic Cars, in Wales. The 308 has been converted with Tesla running gear. And we're absolutely delighted to have it on stand and of course plugged into our new product, which is the Easy One domestic charger, which is the 7 kilowatt unit with integrated earth protection.
So this is the new unit. I've not actually reviewed this one yet, but it looks exactly the same as the one I reviewed, and the one comment I had on the last unit was it didn't have built-in pen fault protection, which now you've addressed, which is fantastic to see. So if you want to come and see the new Easy charger and this new Ferrari, then pop over to the Easy stand and you'll find that. Whereabouts, Chris?
We're on stand E22.
So if you want to come down to Fully Charged Live, go to Fully Charged website, links down below in the description. There's tickets still available for Saturday and Sunday, and I'll see you there.